Let me introduce you to your next favorite animal, Jeremy the snail. Jeremy was a left-coiled garden snail investigated by biologists. The snail had a rare condition which caused its shell to coil to the left. In most snails, the shell coils to the right. At first, it was thought to be a rare genetic mutation, although later work revealed that it was likely due to an accident in early development. Jeremy was named after the left-wing British Labour politician Jeremy Corbyn, on account of it being a lefty snail. But also due to Corbyn's reported love of gardening. The snail became famous worldwide after a public appeal to find other left-coiled snails for a mate. Jeremy had 56 offspring and died on October 11, 2017, aged at least 2 years. Jeremy was studied by researchers from the University of Nottingham. It was hoped that the condition would be due to a mutation and that genes identified from this snail and its offspring would help scientists unlock genetic markers in humans and other animals. A retired scientist found Jeremy in southwest London. He contacted the University of Nottingham and sent them the snail. A group of researchers led by resident snail expert Dr. Angus Davison then launched a public appeal to find another lefty snail as a mate. Due to the unique positioning of the reproductive body parts in anti-clockwise coiled snails, they are only able to mate with snails that also have anti-clockwise shells. 2 other anti-clockwise snails were discovered and sent to the university. However, these 2 snails mated with each other instead, producing 170 right-coiled snails. One of the left-coiled snails later mated with Jeremy, producing 56 offspring. All of which also had right-coiling shells. While studying this snail, Davison discovered a gene that determined whether a snail's shell coiled to the left or to the right. He said that body asymmetry in humans and other animals could be affected by the same gene, and that the research could help understand the positioning of organs according to genetic markers. Davison was quoted as saying, "This may be the end for Jeremy, but now the snail has finally produced offspring. This is a point in our long-term research goal. Ultimately, we would like to know why these snails are so rare, but also how the left and right sides of the body are signaled at the molecular level, and whether a similar process is taking place during human development." In July 2018, the research team at the University of Nottingham announced the arrival of St. Stephen, a lefty snail of the species Sepia nemoralis, and stated in a tweet that they were looking for potential mates. It was hoped that this research will lead to insights into rare conditions like situs inversus and situs ambiguus, where the positioning of organs in the body is reversed or misplaced due to genetic malformations. Well, there you go. Jeremy the snail. What a guy. Thanks for watching. See you next time.